Welcome back, guys. Just picking up Bethany's prescriptions, and then we're about to start our day. Got the kids in the back. All right. She's actually taking a shower right now. Yeah, I just called her. She's not ready. So I'm gonna go get some food. Some comida. So, picking up Bethany some breakfast. Bet you guys can't guess what she wants.
And there's that for you.
Nice, thanks.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
This is quite literally Bethany's version of a healthy, nutritious breakfast. Bethany messed up. I got Chick-fil-A. I got fries for you too, Tucky, so don't worry. I got you fries, man. Go, buddy, go! Go, Tucky! Go, Tucky! Go, Tucky! What's wrong? Good job. Need a ride?
Hey guys, so I don't know if Jonas told you guys, but Colorado is prepping for a huge storm. Like, they're talking about some areas, like in the foothills of the mountains, are gonna get as much as 8 feet. 8 feet of snow.
Not inches.
8 feet.
Which is way more than either of us have seen in our lifetime. And I just don't even know how to prepare for that. But they're expecting our area to get around, like, they're expecting we're gonna get like 16 to 20 inches where we're at, which is still quite a bit. Maybe more, we have no idea, but they're basically saying to prep yourself, have water supplies because power outages could happen. So we just came to get some water. We are, yes, Tatum, yes. We just came to get some water before everyone is out. And we're about to go do a really fun scenic drive. And then later on, we're gonna run around and do some more errands to get more stuff that we need for the potential storm. We just didn't want to waste a whole day doing that, and it'll get dark soon, so we literally have a few hours of sunshine to go drive around. So we are about to just drive around and go to one of the prettiest places we have found. And then later on, we're gonna come back and get more supplies, like food, and we don't even know. We're really lost, but we're gonna try to get food, flashlights, like the whole 9 yards. So anyways, we're about to show you guys really, really pretty places. So we're about to head out, and we will see you guys there.
See you there.
Kids are sleeping, so this is about to be a really enjoyable drive. If anybody is ever questioning why we love living in Colorado, this is it. It is so beautiful here. I literally, every day, I just cannot get over it. Every time we get out of the house and I get to go see everything around us, I am just obsessed. I love it. So I just wanted to update that we are actually leaving because Jonas is a little bit salty.
A little bit?
Because our drone fell into the water.
Took a little swim.
Took a little swim.
Took a little dive, a little morning afternoon dive. That's annoying.
We were gonna get some cool drone footage for you guys.
You'll probably just see a wreck later.
We're going to get all the groceries that we need now and all the supplies to basically get through
the winter storm.
Winter storm, yep. Snowpocalypse of 2021. It seems to be affecting everybody this year, but anyways, that's what we're doing, and you will have to wait and see if drone footage.
I mean, you guys probably won't wait, but we're having to wait.
We're definitely having to wait. Yeah.
You guys will probably see it.
You'll find out,
right after this.
Or not see it.
Yeah, right.
You know, either way. But yeah,
Stupid.
he's just a little mad. Just a little, because he dove into the water for it.
Yeah, I need new shoes now too.
Oh. Man, if those boulders fell, it looks like it's like about to fall. Am I wrong?
It's about to fall.
That's a big boulder.
Big ass boulder.
That's a big boulder. It could fall. That's crazy. Hard to believe it's about to be a snowstorm, huh? It's pretty
Bright and sunny outside.
Pretty crazy.
We're driving on a gravel road, if you guys haven't noticed.
A little rocky.
A little rough.
You want to go inside Target? What do you think? You want to go in? Yeah? Let's go inside Target. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, Tucker. Ooh, you want a hat? A little party hat? That's funny. Look. Look at that. You don't like it? What do you think? Do you like it? No. You don't like that?
Dada might like it.
Hey, Taters. How you doing? You doing good? Look at you. Look at the beautiful babies. These are the best toys. They keep them in the dollar section. Let me see Tucker. And he is obsessed. I get him some every time I come. Yeah, they're so cool, huh? Roar, roar, roar. Roar. You want to get them? Roar.
I wanted to check out the sword right here.
Roar.
You want to get this for him? He won't hurt you that much.
$16.
It's awesome though. Look, it's a Minecraft sword. We'll beat you up.
This is the biggest mistake I made, is coming in this aisle.
Run, Bethany, run!
Go, go, go. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. It's okay, you got your dinosaurs, remember? Hey, Tucker. Tucker. It's a brand new mask. For clarification, it is a brand new mask. Just too sweet. Hi. Hey. You're so beautiful, baby. Hey. He's patting. Where's your dinosaurs?
Where's your dinosaur? Good job.
There they are.
There's the other one too.
Uh-oh, he's stuck. There you go.
Not anymore. I got him.
On to the next
Hey,
store.
Wheaties, get out of there!
Next door.
Alright, let's go.
This is really bad. This is really, really bad. This guy's doing the same.
You gotta get the big bag.
This is so dumb. This is so dumb. Hey. Hi. She's like looking to you for. Give him kisses. Aww. I just want to let you know, if you're from Texas or somewhere that is other than Colorado, did you know that they sell liquor in the grocery stores? Let me get to where. Let me find some. I look like I'm a liar right now because here we go. Beautiful. Look, Jonas. I bet they've had so many people buying it today that they're just like, let's just leave the.
Just like New Year's. That's
Yeah.
how it was New Year's. You've heard how many ID checks they've been asking for.
Oh, I haven't been paying attention.
Every like couple minutes they're like, IG check at aisle 14.
We just got home not too long ago and I just bathed the kids, so that's why I have all this soap and water in my hair. Yeah. But we're gonna end the vlog here, and if you are not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And please pray for us as we brace potentially upwards of 5 to 8 feet of snow. And pray our power doesn't go out, because that's going to be really tough with 2 kids. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.